How's it going, everybody? We're at the Seminole Hard Rock in Hollywood, Florida. Still have my new haircut in case you haven't noticed. We're trying super hot roll again. It worked well the other day. We won a lot of money back. Still didn't win overall, but we made a lot of money back.
The best we've done in a while. We only lost $100.
Yeah, let's see if it continues. Let her rip, Tater Chip. So the way this game works is just like regular hot roll. The dice can roll, and whatever they land on, that's the multiplier you get. But it happens like this. If it's on the redraw, you only get it on one hand, but it's two hands in a row. So we get it 10 times here and a 10 times on the next hand. But if you get it on the initial draw, the initial deal, excuse me, you get it on all 5 hands, twice in a row.
Any idea how often you get it on the first hand?
It's in 1.377 games. So 1 in 4 games. Oh, it's a winner too. Nice. Oh, I forgot we're on bonus poker and it pays double. I was going to say it's only 30. But it's not. It's a winner. Ooh. Get a 4th one up there, Dad.
That would be nice.
750 if you do it.
Still a winner. That was good.
That's a good one.
What the hell happened? I haven't seen that happen in a long time.
Quick, let's leave.
Be in the positive. Yeah, it didn't last very long.
This'll do it. Allow me. Not quite.
Surprised you didn't wind up with 4 to the royal.
I know, that's what always happens. Oh, son of a gun, it's on the wheels. Oh well. Oh, 3 aces and on everything. Look at this, Dad. 9 times multiplier. Well, we got a 4 there, but. So 4th ace would be 400 credits times 9 is 3,600.
Wow, this could be something good here. I'm thinking that maybe you, Mr. Lucky, with a very short haircut, should push that button.
Super hot roll bonus poker. Got a 9 times multiplier on everything. Well, won 4 times, but dealt 3 aces. Can we get the 4th ace? I heard the ding. I thought that was it.
Yeah, well, he had a full house on this one, but was 4.
But that's still, what is that at? This is 50 cents. That was $340. Now, what do we get on the next spin of all 9s?
Oh, 2 pairs. Maybe another full house?
Maybe a few full houses.
The worst we're going to do is
90 times 5.
90 times 5. 400.
That was another monster right there, Dad.
That was a good one.
What does it add up to?
Wow.
675, that's over $300 because it's 50 cents.
I think we found another one.
With 6x on everything.
I think we found our game here.
I've been telling you for months to play this game.
It's the 8-9 queen, right?
Yeah,
double
straight
inside
flush
straight
times
flush.
6.
That a flush.
180. All right, you got one more. What's it going to be?
That's what it's going to be. Kings and jacks, hopefully. Oh. A little disappointing there, but
yeah,
still good.
Ooh. Now let's see some fire, baby.
Oh,
that still works. I'll still take it. Gladly take it. Now, Dad, I believe you owe me an apology. A winner there, not a winner there, not a winner there. Well, we got broke even, and now we got all these multipliers on the next hand. $45. Wow, we didn't even win money with all those.
That was sad, but all things considered, we're doing okay.
Yes, we are. Now you can start with not a lot and end with something crazy because that happened to me. There's a winner there.
Winner.
12 times.
Well,
there we go.
Here, you get us a winner on this next one here. Get a royal flush. Or what are you going for? Inside straight or 3-card straight flush? It's gotta be an inside straight.
You think? I say go big or go home, Dad.
Well, all you need is one high card, and you're gonna get at least 6.
Okay, you big baby.
That's me.
What about a straight
plus a
for
straight.
240?
Right.
$120 right there.
That worked. I like it.
But as I was saying, I believe you owe me an apology about this game, Dad.
I do. I love this game. I like it better if we get an $11,000 winner like you did.
Well, it ain't happening on this unless you get a royal. I got news for you.
Well, let's get a royal.
Okay. Why didn't I think of that?
I don't know. Why didn't you?
Flames.
We need a flame, a flamer. No. Wow, that would have been a great time. Look at all these 6s. 6s are cheap.
Oh, all 5 hands, 2 in a row. 9 times. Okay. Let's see it.
That was good.
That was a good one. Do it again, Dad.
315, right?
Over $150. Come on, baby. Oh, okay. Saved by the last hand.
Made it into a winner. Have we gotten 4 of a kind yet?
Winner. No, I don't think so. Ooh, I always keep forgetting that we're playing bonus poker, 2-pair pace double.
Yeah, so much better than that double-double bonus. Crap.
Yeah, but you ain't gonna win $11,000 on this one. Fire! Show me the fire! Redo it twice. If you want, Dad, we can go up to 10 play, $50 a spin.
I think I'm fine here.
Well, we got a multiplier, no winner though.
All of them, right?
No, it's only on the
Oh, it's
initial
on,
deal.
on the initial deal. Oh, okay.
Winner. Hey, there you go. There's our 4 of a kind. I would have liked those swapped, but
too bad. Yeah, with 7-time multiplier on that would be awesome.
oh, by the way, somebody said the other day they don't like me. Apparently, when I point, a lot of the times I use my middle finger, and somebody said they don't like getting shot the bird all the time. So.
Well, don't do that.
There's a winner. Big numbers?
So-so numbers. 7 is the average, right?
I believe so, yes. That's
There's a
better. Ooh, 2-pair, okay. All right. I see you there. Can we get up to $2,000?
Wouldn't that be nice?
Get a royal, get up to $4,000. We might have to just make this a short video today and lock in this big win. Well, no, it's only 10 minutes, but. Hey, now it's on everything. Oh, of course, 2.
Wow.
Well, if you're gonna waste it, let it be that you waste.
Well, you did waste it, that's for sure. But I guess it wasn't that much of a big waste. You don't go for inside straights. Bonus Poker Deluxe, you would go for inside straights.
like to point out all this winning, and the only 4 of a kind we got was the one for 125. Wasn't even a bonus one. There's a winner.
Without a multiplier.
That's hard to do.
Yeah, really. Well, I think we got to 1,500. We should quit so we know.
Oh yeah, locking our win. And the losing streak is officially over.
For one day.
Can we maybe lock in a win streak, Dad?
I don't know. It would be nice. We don't seem to be getting many of these multipliers.
Yeah, I think the multipliers are hiding.
7, 8, 9, 10, Jack.
What about 2 6s?
That'll work.
There it is on everything again. Big numbers.
Big one.
5. Better than 2.
Exactly. Don't waste them.
I didn't, Dad. I did not waste those. Now deal us a winner, please. Okay, fine. I'll take a $10,000 royal.
How about a pair of jacks?
We broke even. I'll take it. Hey, there's your pair of jacks. Speak of the devil.
Nothing.
Nothing. Still nothing. What's 6 times nothing, Dad?
Nothing. What's 6 times a pair of kings? 30. Wow. You want to call it a day here?
Now, let's go down to 500. We still need a little bit longer of a video here.
Okay.
11 minutes is too short.
One of our problems, we thought, is that sometimes we make these videos and we're committed to a long time period and we wind up losing a bunch of it back.
Like now, we were up to 1900. Well, there's a...
It'd be nice to be able to walk away.
Anytime we want. One more 10, please, Dem.
No such luck.
Loser. See what you can do with that 7.
Probably not much. Yeah, unfortunately.
How'd you know? Oh, there we go.
Oh, now we're going to be here below our 500.
No, because we're getting winners here, Dad.
I hope
Winner,
so.
winner. Look at that. Boom. $70. Do it again.
That doesn't look very good unless we get 4 8s.
About 3 7s.
The winner.
Okay, we'll go. I was going to say let's call it there, but struggling to get this video out.
to get back down to 1,500.
Well, at least one of them was a winner. Winner, please. One more 4 of a kind. Oh, I thought that was it.
Nice.
$140 though. Look at that. Boom. All right, now if we get down to 1,600, I say we call it.
Sure. I like that.
Let's go. Here, you fit. Play us out, Dad. Ooh, there's a winner. 2 pair. Oh, gross.
They should ban deuces from this.
Snake eyes. Again.
Oh, here we go, all of them. 8s and 5s.
Another $70. Winner, please. $14,000 royal. Okay.
All right, are we done with our
50 bucks.
multipliers there?
You want to go down? Okay, we'll call it there. So that is $727.50 winners, baby.
Wow,
Super Hot Roll Poker has broken the losing streak.
Finally broke the losing streak.
Take it easy.